Okay, Assalamualaikum. We're going to continue our assembly language with the topic number 9, condition codes instruction. Okay. So for this chapter, okay, there are several codes. Basically, this code is a short code, what we call it, independent code without any operand, okay, to set or to reset value of flag. Okay. So basically, we will focus more on flag. Okay. So the first one is set carry flag, STC. Okay. So for set carry flag, okay, so what happens in set carry flag is STC is there. Okay. We try to emulate STC. What it will done is, okay, so it will, okay, it will set the value of carry flag to 1. Okay. So aside from STC, okay, there is also instruction for STD, set direction flag. Okay. But the direction flag, okay, if you try to set the direction flag, okay, so direction flag actually, okay, we didn't cover this one for our flag. Okay, this is just for your general knowledge. Okay, and the next set is we have set interrupt. Okay, so set interrupt. Okay. Okay, so set interrupt, we're going to set the value of our interrupt flag. Okay, so let's try to view. But let's change it to 0 first. Okay, let's try to change it to 0. If we can pause it. Okay. So what happens? STC set carry flag. We will force the carry flag to become 1. Okay, and then set direction flag. That means we're going to set our direction flag to 1. STI set interrupt. So that means we're going to set interrupt flag to 1. Okay. So aside from set, okay, we also have clear. Okay. So if you can set your carry flag, then you can clear your carry flag. Okay. So aside from that, we can also clear our direction flag. And the last one, we can also clear our interrupt. Okay. So CL. Okay. Okay. So let's try this one. Okay. So let's see our flag. Okay. So the first thing, okay, let's set this one to 0. Okay. So we're going to set carry flag to 1. Okay, and then we're going to set carry flag to 1. The next one, set direction flag to 1. Okay, and then we're going to set our interrupt to 1. Okay, so if we can set it, that means we can reset it. Okay, so we can what we call it, clear our carry flag. That means carry flag will become 0, and then clear direction flag will become 0, and then clear interrupt will become 0. Okay. So what's next? Okay. Okay, so aside from we are clearing and setting, we also can complement our carry flag. Okay, what does it mean by complement our carry flag is just like similar to our two complement method. Complement means doing the by person. That means if the carry flag is 0, you set it to 1. If the carry flag is 1, you're going to set it to 0. Okay, so let's try to see what happens if we do the sequence like that. Okay, let me try from the beginning again. Let's view our flag. Okay, so the first one, okay, we're going to set our carry flag. Okay, 1. Let me reset value of interrupt. Okay, set carry flag to 1. Okay, and then STD set direction flag to 1. Okay, this one is going to change to 1, and then our interrupt flag is going to change to 1. So now we're going to reset our carry flag, clear carry flag, clear direction flag, and then clear interrupt flag. So aside from what we call that, set it and clear it, we can also use complement. That means if we don't know what the value is, we just want it to be complemented to what we call it, to not the value. To not the value. Okay. So we can use complement. So now we're going to complement our carry. So that means we're going to complement the value of carry flag. So carry flag 0 will become 1, become 0 again, become 1, become 0. So that's the use of complement. Okay. So the next instruction is no operation. Okay. So no operation, as you can see here, okay, this is example of no operation, even though we didn't put the instruction. So no operation means nothing going to happen. So basically, okay, so basically no operation, and okay, you can put as many as you want. Okay. So why we invent this NOP is because to help us with what we call that. Look, when you want to do delete. Okay. So that's right, this one. Okay. So the first one again. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's view our flag. Okay. Let's reset everything below. Reset to 0. Okay. So we're going to set carry flag. Okay. We're going to set carry flag to 1. Okay. Direction flag to 1. And then interrupt flag to 1. Clear the carry flag. Clear the direction flag. Clear the interrupt. Okay. Complement carry. Complement back carry. Complement carry. Complement carry. And complement carry. And now no operation. No operation means nothing going to happen. That means we are not doing anything. Okay. And the last instruction, okay, will be HL hop. Okay. HL. So how usually we put it at the end of our program. Okay. How is almost similar. How is like we are closing the program. Okay. It's almost similar to interrupt 21. Okay. So let's try this one. Okay. So let's start from the beginning. Okay. What we call that? Let's do our flag. Okay. So set it to 0. Okay. So STC set carry to 1. STD set STD set direction to 1. Okay. And then STI set what we call that? Interrupt to 1. CLC clear carry will set to 0. CLD clear direction set will be set to 0. Okay. And then here interrupt will be set to 0. CMC means we're going to complement the carry value. So now carry is 0. So we CMC complement carry will become 1. Complement back becomes 0. Complement back becomes 1. Complement back becomes 0. And the last complement will make it change to 1. Okay. NOP, no operation, so nothing going to happen here. Okay, just for delay. And then we're going to end our program. So we're going to get a message here that the program is ended. Okay. So that is about what we call that, about condition put instruction. Okay. So let's try an example. The use of what we call it, set carry flag. Okay. So based on our previous lecture, okay, you can see that if you we can use this one. Remember we have what we call that, this instruction. Okay. So what we can do here is we can show that. Okay. Okay, let's get the value. Okay. So previously have jump if carry is set. Okay. So okay. So we can put here. Okay. What we call this. Okay. We have this instruction from the previous lecture. Let's change it a little bit. Okay. So selection should be good. Okay? So let's say we put the value of FDD. Okay? So FDD, okay, going to be this one, going to make it simple. Okay, then instead of edit, just going to simply increase the value of x. Then okay, jump carry back to my level. So let's try this one. Okay. So if we, oh sorry, I should comment this one first. Okay. Okay. So if we run this one, if you look at the flag, yeah, I wonder what will happen. Okay. We call them. Okay. So if we keep increasing it, okay, then nothing going to happen because carry flag is set to 0. Okay. Every time you increase, carry flag is set to 0 because when you increase, nothing going to happen. Okay. So for that, let's try to put set carry. Okay. So let's try to see what will happen. Okay. So view the flag. Okay. So when we move here, carry is set to 1, and then we're going to increase. Okay. So you can see that okay, our program will turn into an infinity loop program. Okay. So that's the idea of forcing the increment. Okay. So start from there, what can we do? Okay. There's not much use of difference yet except to force the value of carry and so on. Okay. So I think that is all for this lecture for topic 9. Okay. Condition code instruction for assembly.